What up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. We're here in downtown LA, Crystal and I, going to the Halloween ride with LAESK8. Just arriving, we're a little bit late. Crystal has the Onyx City 2. I am on a Super73 S2. And we're both rocking Spider-Man costume. She's Spider-Girl, and I'm Spider-Man. Got all kinds of people here today. All kinds of EVs. Oh, the Zion X is right there. That's cool. We got the mini bikes. That's cool too. Exposition Park. And I don't know, maybe 150, I'm gonna guess. All kinds of lights going on. Yeah, most people are in costumes. I want to say 80% people are on costumes. Freddy Krueger. Nice. On a surron. Ooh, Crystal. Rough start, Crystal. Turn on your headlights. There we go. That's my horn. It's cold. And we're just getting started. Maybe I'll pedal. It's really hard to recognize people. Gotta learn their helmets. I mean, kind of in the middle of the pack. Sorta, kind of. Right. Oh, look, there's a sandwich couple on my 10 o'clock. I'm just standing on my Super 73. There's lots of bumps here. And I don't have dual sus, unlike some folks. You want to trade? And we're by the Staples Center. Or Crypto Center, should I say. This guy, 12 o'clock, he's got big butt and I cannot lie. Dang, is this a Zero? This looks like it's a Zero electric bike. Whew. With plates and everything. Yep, it's a Zero DS. What you doing, bud? What are you trying to do? Are you actually gonna wheelie this? Alright, I'm leaving you. Doesn't seem confident. It's maybe like 150. It feels just about the same as last year. It is a Saturday night, busy, poppin' Saturday night. And I had to get a day off for this. Crystal really loves this Halloween ride. She likes dressing up, and she just excited to see what everyone else is wearing. Oh look, this is a Zion bike with blue rims. Light up LED rims. Don't really see that around. That thing is like the Hummer. Very heavy, very bulky, and very tall. Dude, this car is just not having it. What's up with this car?
You got all these bikes behind you, just hold on.
Whew. That car ain't having it. You got left. Sawyer's group went a hip ahead. And I think they're at the Legion Park now. That's why all of a sudden this group is like small. For whatever reason, we got split up, and we were like in front of the pack, I thought. Weird. I think everyone's at Elysian Park. We're trying to meet up with that group. Okay, Crystal's gonna use the Super for now. I had to take the city up the curve. Oh, easy guys. Oh, hope you guys good? Oh, I think she whiskey throttled a little bit. Go. This is the city lights area. This is basically the helipad, I think is where people were. Darn, I didn't want to get this Onyx City too dirty. Off-roading a little bit here, but it is what it is. This is where the other group is chilling. Now the group is bigger again. Yeah, now it's like back to like 300 people. How did we get lost? I thought we were in front of the pack, right? Crazy. So everyone's chilling here. How you doing? You okay? But it's heavy as F.
A few moments later.
Game time. We got electric drifter. Electric drifting trike up ahead. Oh, I got the Onyx City 2 for now. Just up until this dirt off-roading out of here. Then Crystal and I will trade. Damn, we getting dirty. Speaker guy, you want to trade now? Okay, we'll trade later. I think we're stopping soon anyway. Don't. Oh my gosh, he's trying no hands. What a loser. Get that regen, Onyx. Here we go. We're on level ground, basically in Chinatown. What do you want to trade? You still want to trade? Alright. Well, I want to trade. I actually like the Super73 riding stance more than the Onyx City. I feel like I'm way too sporty, aggressive stance on the Onyx City. Crystal dropped her AirPods, so now we're in the back of the pack, and we're just trying to catch up with the group now, once again. Oh, let's follow Indiana Jones. Just don't ride on his whip. There's probably like 5 of us here. Yo, what is that? That's the smallest surron that I've ever seen. Is that Surronster? In an Incredibles costume? Oh, that's a big bump. This might be Surronster. I think that's his helmet. That's like a 14-inch tires on a Surron. Or smaller. Maybe a 12-inch. Tiny. Looks fun. We're back from the main group, I suppose, or chilling here, who have been chilling here at crypto.com. Yes, sir. We're here. They sounded the siren, and they're saying that they don't like us here. So let's roll. This freaking white car. This Volkswagen's running the red lights with us. Watch, let's see if he does it again. Yeah, this fucking car just keeps running red lights with us. Yo, this car is out of control. Alright, CC58X38 is the car's license plate. He's running like 4 red lights with us, acting like he's part of the group. That's hilarious. Santa Claus here. There's some fine ladies walking by, like a group of them, like 10 to 20, and he's shouting out, "Ho, ho, ho." Well, that might be it. We're actually on the back in Exposition Park here, where it all started. 9:22. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the ride's over. How was that? It's a little too unorganized today, right? Yeah. But big group is always difficult. I'm not gonna knock it on them. I'm just saying, let's figure out a way to get back to the parking spot. That's gonna be today's ride, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your e-bike choice. Stay safe and amazing out there. See you guys in the next one. Peace.